Hi guys, Emily here with Blonde Hair Bar, and I wanted to talk about restoring your confidence post-pregnancy. So our body is going through a lot of hormonal changes at this point. We've just been producing a lot of vitamins, and then we just got rid of a lot of vitamins. So you're probably experiencing hair shedding. You're probably experiencing changes in hormone. You're probably gonna be different than when you started the pregnancy. And I do hair extensions, I do hair replacement systems, and I think if you start off with really thin hair as a person, every baby you have, you just get more and more hair loss because you're kind of giving your nutrients, you're just giving your cells and everything to this baby. So what we've done in the past is, what we do is we actually align your natural hair with its perfect counterpart in hair extensions to prevent breakage. We take you in for a consultation. We take a look at your hair type, your density, how fragile your hair is, and how low density it is. So that way we can say, oh, we're gonna give you a hair system, and that's what I'm wearing. My hair is just super, super, super thin. You can't put hair extensions on this because you're gonna see it in the wind and it's gonna break your hair. They're gonna be really uncomfortable, and they're gonna look trashy. We don't want that. So come in for a consultation, and we also have virtual consultations if you just live out of the area and you want to know what to do. We actually work with a lot of hormone doctors that specialize in hormone regulation and vitamin deficiencies after pregnancy. We can also give you a lot of information about diet and exercise and hopefully getting your hair back. Thank you so much. My name's Emily with Blonde Hair Bar. Thanks.